I mean, I want to make it right for you guys, but I mean,
God forbid if you have to end up taking the tops out because you can't correct the mistake that was created by Southern Stone. The tops will not come out until, or whatever company it is, the tops will not come out until we have another one ready to be scheduled to install. Because I'm not going to be without a kitchen for a month at a time or 2 weeks at a time. I've wasted the whole weekend.
That'd be something we'd have to take up with Home Depot.
Okay.
Fine with me. I most certainly will then.
Well, I mean, that's where I'm headed right now. So as soon as Alex gets there,
Can you make them straight today? How do you take them back off to make them straight, flat?
we can trim them up and make them straight.
Today?
Yeah, right now. Yes, ma'am.
But how can
We
you
can
do that
fix
if
it
they're
all.
solidly sealed to the counter, to the
Just
cabinet,
cut that.
cabinets?
Cut the silicone. Once you get a shim in there, that silicone will break loose, and we can raise everything up in the air, make them level.
There's some cheese right here, but just right here, but they put a white caulking so it cover with that caulking.
What about the difference in the inch of the stove in the back? Was that supposed to be like that?
So it's like 16 different.
Yeah, I think so.
8.
330 and an eighth. I think it's like 30 and 3/16 or something like that.
Yeah, 316.
Yeah.
So it's like 16 different.
So I guess